Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. And the first thing I want to show you is about AI, because you have a nice feature included. If you're on a web page and see a picture of someone and you don't know who it is, just long press the home button and then just circle the face of him, of her, and then the phone will tell you who it is. In our case, it's Toni Kroos, the former football player. And you can go a bit further. If you want to know what he's wearing here, just long press again and circle now his shirt, and then the phone will tell you that's the jersey from 2018 and 2019, from that season. And yes, it is true. Pretty nice. And there are other AI features like here at the Samsung web browser. You can summary websites. Maybe you say, okay, that's too long, I don't want to read all, I just want to have the main facts. Then just go here on the stars, go on summarize, and the phone is giving you a summary of the whole website in a few points. And you can see that Toni Kroos had a very successful career. The next feature I want to show you is for videos you have done with your camera, because you can let them run in slow motion pretty easily. For that, just visit them in the gallery, like I have done here, one. And if I hold now my finger here on the video, the phone is running them now in slow motion. So just hold your finger on the video and the video is running now in slow motion. And if you leave your finger, he's coming back to the regular speed. Pretty nice. And you can do also nice stuff with your pictures. Let's visit the gallery again. And yeah, I've done here some pictures of my little friend. And if I long press him now, I've marked him, only him, not the background, only him. And I can send him now as a sticker by WhatsApp and so on. I can copy him, share him directly with other messenger services. I can go here on the 3 points to save directly his image. I can edit him and so on, or put him in another scene. Pretty nice. And let's check now our pictures. It's just him, not the background. It's only him. You can do it with items, persons, and so on. And yeah, a pretty nice tool as well. The next feature I want to show you is also pretty cool, because you can use the large display to let run 2 apps at the same time. Maybe you want to watch a YouTube video while checking something else on the internet. You can do that. Let me show you how. For that, let's open here YouTube in our example. I can open also another app. And take then your phone and 2 fingers and swipe them from below to the middle, and you have split the screen. Now I'm having here on top YouTube, and on the lower screen I could choose now another app. Let's keep going on maybe with our example here, the internet browser. So I'm having now on top YouTube, and below I'm having here the internet browser. Pretty nice. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point Advanced Features. And here you should check out the point Multi-Window. And I recommend to you to enable the first 2 points here, swipe for split screen and swipe for pop-up view. And that means if you open an app, YouTube or whatever, then you take your phone and 2 fingers and swipe them from below to the middle, and you have split the screen. Choose then in the second step the app below, the internet browser or another app, and then you're having here YouTube or and the internet browser. If you need more space, by the way, for the first app, so for YouTube, you can go here in the middle to the 3 points, hold them and swipe them a bit below. Then you have more space for the first app. Or if you swipe them up, of course, you have more space here for the second app on the lower screen. Pretty nice. And if you want, you can go also a bit further and open apps in a floating window, so in a pop-up. Let me show you what I mean. So choose first an app you want to have in a pop-up view. Let's continue here maybe with YouTube. And then go with your finger here at the corner of the screen and swipe it gently here, that you have a little square. And now you have it in a floating window. Now you can work in the background and so on. And you can put it here on the blue bar, also on another position. And now you can do your stuff here. And yeah, you can watch meanwhile the YouTube video. If you're finished with, just tap here on the blue bar and go here on the X, and it will disappear. So a pretty nice mode. The next feature I want to show you is also pretty awesome, because you can have with one phone, 2 phones. So a phone with two spaces. Maybe one space for your private stuff and one space for your business stuff. Or one space for your private stuff and the other space for your very private stuff. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap on a symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point security and privacy. And look here for the point more security settings. And you will need this point now, the secure folder. Okay, first of all, tap on continue. And then you have to log in your Samsung account if you haven't done it before. If you don't have one, you can register with your Google email address and then tap on continue. And then phone is creating here the secure folder, the second space. This takes a few seconds. That's the reason why I will forward the video right now. After 30 seconds, you come here to that page to set up a log type for your secure folder. Maybe a pin, a password, or a pattern. I'm more the fan of a pin. Let me take 4 times the 9. Please take yours and take a better one. Then tap on continue or on done. The phone tells me now it's not the best one I have, but I will use it anyway. Now re-enter the same code in case you entered wrong. In my case, it's 4 times the 9. Please take yours. Tap then after on OK or on done. Okay, and here you tap on allow, because if you forget this pin code or password or pattern, then you can reset it here with the Samsung account. Okay, go on allow. And you can add also fingerprints, but you can do that later. Let's tap on next. And now we are at the secure folder. So it's an own world. We have an own camera, which also the pictures you're taking here with the camera are only visible here at the gallery at the secure folder. Also the websites you're surfing here at the secure folder, they are only visible at the browser history here at the secure folder. You can have an own contact list in the secure folder, you have own files, own calendar entries, own notes, and even own apps. If you tap on the plus symbol, you can use existing apps from your phone, or you can also download new ones from the Play Store, only visible here at the Play Store, at the secure folder. The same also with the Galaxy Store. So pretty nice. Yeah, let's take here too. And then you tap on app, add, and then you have here the calculator or the clock. Just an example. But where to find this secure folder? Pretty easy. Just go here on the app drawer, and here it is, the secure folder. Just tap on it. But hold on, why is it not asking for a PIN code? We have set it up one. Yes, it's only asking if you tap on standby and turning back then from that. If you say, I want to have a more safe way, then just tap here on the 3 points. Go on the settings, and you can set up the auto lock secure folder. Actually, it's just when you turn off the screen, then you have to re-enter the PIN. You can set up also a couple of minutes, or if you want to have the most safest one, is each time I leave an app, then the phone will always ask for a PIN. If you don't want to have the PIN, just choose the last point here, when phone restarts. So only if the phone restarts, you have to enter the PIN here of the secure folder. Choose the best one for you. In case if you're having already data here on your phone, which one should belong to the secure folder, you can also easily transfer them. Maybe here at the gallery, if you say, okay, these 2 videos and pictures, they should not be here, then long press one of them. Now I can mark those other ones, and go here on more, and go on move to secure folder. Now they will be disappeared here, and they will be only visible now here at the secure folders gallery. Pretty nice. Let me tell you something else, because the secure folder is already something common, and some people would see it and say, okay, maybe this person wants to hide something, let me check it. I recommend to you to give it another name or another icon as well. For that, just enter the secure folder, go here on the 3 points and customize it by your own. So give it maybe another name, and also maybe another color, and maybe as well another symbol, maybe a cloud. Then after, just tap here on apply, and now the folder is renamed and is having a much more innocent outfit, so no one really is too interested then in the data there. The next feature I want to show you is for the camera, or better the software of the camera. Let me take a picture here first of a coin and a paper clip. Okay. Let's go here to the picture. Now I can go to it also at the gallery. Go then here on the pen to edit the picture. And you have some options. Now you can cut out here a part of the photo and so on. I think you know this already. And here at the 4 circles, you have an object eraser. Select this one, and now let's mark something. You can hold an item, the phone will mark it automatically, or you can mark it like this here by your own, then it is detecting it also automatically. Go then here on erase if you don't want to have both on your screen, and they disappeared. That's crazy, huh? Here they are there, and here they are gone. And the software is as well imitating the structure of the table. Can you see that? So pretty amazing. If you don't know that there has been something, you wouldn't know that. So go then on done, go then on save, save over the original. You could choose it if you want to have it just as a copy. If you want to overwrite it, go on save, and that's it. No coin anymore, no paperclip, and you cannot really imagine that there has been something. Pretty awesome. The next feature I want to show you is if you're on cinema or in a restaurant and you forgot to put your phone on silent mode. And exactly in that moment someone is calling you. All you need to do then is to put the phone with the display on a flat surface, like a table or like a chair, and the phone is immediately on silent mode, what is pretty awesome. And also pretty nice is, if you pick up your phone later, could you hear that? You have a little vibration and the phone tells you that you have missed calls or new messages, and then you can immediately check. Pretty nice. Yeah, we're almost at the end of the video, and I want to show you a simple tool. May you know already about, you can easily read QR codes already with the camera. You don't need an extra app for it. You just use your camera, hover it over a QR code, and then you have here the link, or the text in my case. And I want to tell you here with that QR code, thanks for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could show you some nice tips and tricks for your phone, and which one helps you for the daily use. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be really helpful for me. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.